Traditional continuous side sealing machines typically package products up to 200 millimeters in height due to the limit position of the cross-sealing unit, located before the film forming and the side sealing structure. So how can this type of side sealing machine be used to package taller products? This section introduces a side sealing machine that can wrap higher products. We installed the cross-sealing bar at the rear of the side sealing structure, thus overcoming the structural limitations at above and allowing the opening height to be increased to over 40 centimeters. With this design, we can also lengthen the sealing blade, allowing it to package larger and taller products, such as appliances, furniture, rolls, and other large products or cartons. The following section allows for the actual measurement of the height it can pack. We specialize in designing and customizing non-standard packaging machinery. If you have any interest or requirements in this field, please subscribe to our channel. We will continuously showcase our completed and ongoing non-standard packaging solution. Thank you for watching our video.
高多少？350，宽呢？390，这个呢？这个是300，横过来看一下效果，好，侧面。转一圈，侧面转一圈，你这上下的上下。